इट्स अ स्टनिंग स्टोरी कि कैसे दो लोग आते हैं, मिलते हैं, एक क्लब फॉर्म करते हैं और ये आइडिया ही कितना अजीब है कि मैं बोलूँ कि एक फुटबॉल क्लब चालू करते हैं।
कश्मीर की नई पहचान की शुरुआत कैसे हो सकती है ये मुझे पता है। सर, हमें एक प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉल क्लब की जरूरत है।
उससे क्या होगा? Who cares about football?
It started from a newspaper article. I mean, I read a story about which now seems like reality, but it felt like fiction, where it story of a Kashmiri Pandit and a Kashmiri Muslim who came together to start a football club in Kashmir to bring hope to the valley.
मतलब the idea when I was reading it and I was researching about it was so gripping that I went on to like कि और क्या क्या है और क्या क्या और कौन कौन है क्या क्या हुआ था।
कि यहाँ कबाड़ खाने में तुम कश्मीर का रियल मैड्रिड बनाओगे।
यूथ रास्ते पे पथराव के बजाय फुटबॉल ग्राउंड पे अपनी पहचान बना रहा है।
कश्मीर वॉज लाइक एब्सोल्युटली स्पॉट ऑन एज फार एज मैनेजमेंट पीपल और जितना सपोर्ट सिस्टम को मिलता है वहाँ से वो ट्रिमेंडस। अभी मैं बॉम्बे में ही बोलूँ कि एक फुटबॉल क्लब चालू करते हैं, उसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। पीपल से पागल है क्या, मतलब कैसे होगा ये, मतलब फुटबॉल मतलब क्रिकेट अगर होता तो आईपीएल टीम बनाने की सोच रहा तो अलग बात है, लेकिन ये क्या है। बट दिस इज ट्रू, it happened and it's a successful story.
What's fantastic about this one is that it takes a team to do that. It's a bunch of people. It's not one person. You know, it's not this one phenomenal person who's successful and goes and beats everybody. It's a bunch of people who get together and the reason to make the team by the two founders was not to go and win championships. It was to bring, it was to bring respect and pride back to Kashmir.
कश्मीर में फुटबॉल क्लब शुरू करके क्या करोगे? ये सवाल पूछने वाले कभी समझ ही नहीं पाए कि ये क्लब सिर्फ फुटबॉल के बारे में कभी था ही नहीं। ये क्लब दो चीजों के बारे में था, उम्मीद और इज्जत।
So there were a lot of things going on in my family. Like everyone used to say, it's better you should study and all. There's no future in football.
यहाँ एक नई फुटबॉल टीम शुरू हुई है, मुझे खेलना है डैड।
कोई जरूरत नहीं है।
आगे क्या करोगी? भीख मांगोगी?
मैं फुटबॉल खेलूंगा।
Every place, I mean, there are problems with every city, every country, every place has its own problems. And Kashmir does have its own problems. But I don't think Kashmir is limited to those problems. I think this is trying to bring that narrative to the force. I think like Mahesh sir rightly said, it's about showing a real Kashmir, a Kashmir that we've not seen before. That football is a way for them to overcome the daily hurdles.
When I was playing in Real Kashmir and we went for Durand Cup to Kolkata, I think. We didn't speak with our family for like 2-3 months, I think, because all the communication was buried in state that time.
There are a lot of sacrifices my family have made for me, but for now I would like to share one of those my father have made. He used to come and watch me play during my early career times, that too from his working hours, and it cost him his job, but he never bothered about it.
Seeing my life story unfold on the big screen is an incredibly emotional experience. A dream come true, honestly. It's a reminder of how far I have come. The struggles, the victories, and the unwavering support that got me here. Everyone should watch it because it offers a unique and inspiring perspective on overcoming challenges and chasing your dreams, no matter where you come from.
तो जाओ और कश्मीर के लिए खेलो, उस सपने के लिए जो हम सबको जोड़ता है। कम ऑन।
6 महीने हैं तुम्हारे पास। Bring football back to Kashmir.